The multi-timeframe High Low Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder site. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. Just before running the indicator, I make some changes in the input section within the indicator to better explain and make the lines clear. Here, I change the color of the lines and activate the rewrite mode. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, it begins to draw the highs and lows of 3 time frames on the price chart. The multi-timeframe low indicator, by drawing the daily, weekly, and monthly highs and lows, provides traders with a better understanding of price movements and displays the smallest price movements in a multi-timeframe manner within the current time frame. Here we can observe today's highs and lows, the highs and lows of the previous day, the highs and lows of this week, the highs and lows of the previous week's price movement, and finally, the highs and lows of this month and the previous month. In the settings section, in the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can enable or disable the display of daily lines and change the color of the lines to our preference. We can select the color of today's lines according to our desired choice. We can choose the type of line drawing from the 5 options available to us, which include solid, dash, dot, and dash dot dot. In the next section, we can set the line size, and if we change the size from 1 to a higher level, and if we have selected a style other than solid, it will automatically switch to solid and display as solid. In the next section, we can enable or disable the extension status. In the following section, we can set the color of the previous day. You can select its style, the size of the lines, and finally you can enable or disable the extension of the previous day's lines. Other statuses, like weekly and monthly, are similar. Only in the monthly section, there is a custom mode where you can automatically enable or disable the section or and change it to your desired time frame. From the current mode, the current time frame, and from 1 minute to monthly, you can select here to be displayed. You can set its color, enable or disable the custom mode, the type of line drawing, line size, and rewrite here along with the color, style, size, and rewrite of the previous custom mode. Here I am, enabling the rewrite mode. In this section, we see it has extended itself for us. Well, friends, we have reached the basics of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.